Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to block and unblock your Chime card quickly using the Chime app. Let's begin. First, open the Chime app on your phone and log in. On the home screen, tap the Card tab at the bottom. You'll see an option that says Block Card with a toggle switch beside it. If you've misplaced your card or just want to prevent unauthorized use, tap the switch to turn on card blocking. Once it's on, all transactions, including online and in-store purchases, will be declined until you unblock it. Now, if you find your card or you're ready to use it again, simply go back to the same card settings section and toggle Unblock Card to turn it off. Your card will instantly become active again and you can use it as usual. And that's it. That's how easy it is to block and unblock your Chime card right from your phone. Subscribe the channel for more videos.